Hi, my name is Mark, and this is SimpleLoad. SimpleLoad is an application that I created as a solution to a very unique problem that I encountered working at a law firm. So this law firm used this cloud document website called NetDocuments to import and export documents. The problem is that NetDocuments had two limitations that weren't really working out for us. One being that the total upload size had to be below 5 gigabytes. And two, it had to be below 5,000 files. But we as a law firm worked with document productions that were over 100,000 files, sometimes 500,000 files, and could total 22 gigabytes to 55 gigabytes or 75 gigabytes total for the entire production. So when I contacted NetDocuments for a solution, they said that we needed to create a load file, which is just a fancy term for an Excel file or Excel file, like a CSV or .text file, .dat file. And we had to fill out each individual row with all the metadata and all the pertinent information needed for each individual file, which was insane. So imagine if you were a lawyer or a paralegal and you just received a 500,000 file document production that you needed to upload. You had to type in 500,000 times on an Excel form for each individual file to get it uploaded to NetDocuments. So it's too crazy. So I created this application, which is an offline application. You don't need internet access for this, to do it very quickly for you. So you'll see, like, this is all the pertinent information that NetDocuments uses, and this is internal stuff that at the time the law firm used. So a client could be, our client. It could be Chase, Publix, it could be whoever is the client, and the individual matters for the client itself. Usually it's a 5-digit code for client and 4-digit code for matter. So let's just type that in. So let's just create a little load file for you. So let's just do that. Author could be, let's see, Brian, and let's just do production. That's what it is, right? A production. So we'll go to production. And then here is the directory that we're saving in the documents. Let's just do Chase example 001. And I will select the directory itself. I took the time to create a sample folder with a bunch of, pseudo files as an example. Let's just upload that. I'll tell you, hey, look, you have 176 files. And so then you can click on load production. And you'll see that it says here, file successfully converted, download load file. And you'll see the individual files in the directory and subdirectories printed out here. So we can download it, and which we'll do right now. And let's just save in the same sample folder. Let's just do load file.csv. Let's just save it in there. And there it is. And this would look much better if I had Excel installed on this computer. But this is pretty much how it's going to look for NetDocuments. You'll see the directory, the file, the individual metadata. And this is how NetDocuments basically uses this data to look for each individual files and upload it to their system. So yeah, I've used this application to great success, as well as a lot of the employees at the firm. It took less than 2 minutes to create, and it saved a lot of headaches. And I also, in conjunction to this, I also created form verification, form field error checking. So for example, like if we were to create a new load file, this is here, form has been refreshed, all the fields have been cleaned out. So for example, like let's just say we forgot to put a 5-digit client code and we just continue to put in something, example 1 or 21, it doesn't matter. And let's just do that again. You'll see that when we try loading production, it says here, hey, look, errors are found in the form. You'll see it'll highlight the different sections. So if you'll see that indicates basically which individual fields need to be worked on. So, and yeah, and there's also a little help section here that I created to kind of help people, who are new to using this program to use the program itself. This program is very easy. It's not super complicated. And I do want to work on it to increase, not increase, but basically put more functionality to it. Like I wanted to have a section here that says, the total memory size of the entire production that you're creating the load file for, the amount of subdirectories, file types, because there's different types of file types. Sometimes we work with PDF, text files, video files, image files, etc., etc. And I also want to have a way of configuring this, because sometimes certain things change. Like for example, like our client code, matter code system could change to 4 digits to 3 digits, or certain authors here are sent out or basically removed or added onto it. So I kind of want to have a little settings section here that you can use to configure this, so it could be used in any situation when you're creating a load production. So yeah, this is SimpleLoad. I'm very excited that you reached to this end of this video. I'm very excited that this program was such a great success at the law firm. I'm very proud of this application. So thank you for watching this video. If you want to see more applications, just go to my GitHub site or my web dev site, and you'll see all the public repos there for you to look at. Thank you so much, and have a nice one. Bye.